Unveiling the secrets of pasta sauce in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a delicious and commonly used phrase in English, pasta sauce. This topic isn't just about cooking. It's a fantastic way to enhance your English vocabulary and understand cultural nuances. So, let's get started and explore the layers of meaning in this simple yet intriguing phrase. Pasta sauce refers to a variety of sauces used to dress pasta. The term encompasses a wide range of sauces, from the simple and traditional, like tomato sauce, to more complex and regional varieties. Understanding this term not only helps in the kitchen but also gives insight into a significant part of Western cuisine. 1. Tomato-based sauces. The most common type, including sauces like marinara and bolognese. 2. Cream-based sauces, such as Alfredo or carbonara, known for their rich and creamy texture. 3. Oil-based sauces. Examples include garlic and oil, aglio e olio, or pesto, which are lighter yet flavorful. 4. Vegetable sauces. These are often made with roasted or pureed vegetables, offering a healthier option. Each type of sauce not only adds flavor but also carries cultural and regional histories. Simple. For dinner, I made spaghetti with tomato pasta sauce. Descriptive. She prefers a rich, creamy pasta sauce with herbs and garlic. Question. What type of pasta sauce should we use for the lasagna? These examples show how the term can be adapted to different contexts and sentence structures. Pasta sauce is more than just a culinary term. It's a gateway to understanding Western and particularly Italian cuisine. It reflects the importance of pasta in these cultures and how the sauce can transform a simple dish into something special. Knowing about pasta sauce can also be a conversation starter about food and culture. I hope this journey into the world of pasta sauce has been as enjoyable for you as it was for me. Remember, learning English is not just about words and grammar, it's about exploring cultures and concepts. Keep practicing, and don't forget to experiment with some pasta sauce in your kitchen too. Until next time, happy learning!